In this video I will show you how to enable new tab option in Notepad all version of Windows 11 easily. CI using Windows 11 beta version. Open Notepad. See tab option not enabled. Open your browser. Copy the Notepad code. And paste the link next tab to search update file. After find the file, save as it. Install the update Notepad file. See new tab option are now enabled. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.